Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this Peugeot 308 in the GT line specification. So this car is free to tax, and some of its features include full LED headlights, 18-inch alloy wheels, considerable windows, there's front and rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car it's half leather interior with a red GT line style stitching. Both the front seats have massage function, the touchscreen has 3D navigation, there's DAB digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around.
We are happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's using our click and collect service, our home delivery service, or just arranging an appointment to come and view the vehicle. We hope to see you soon. Thank you.